In this extension, you will create a form using Google Forms and embed it into your one-page website. A form can be a valuable tool and a great source of information from your website's users. There are many kinds of forms you could use to create for your one-page website. For example, if you're offering a service, such as lawn care or cake decorating, people could fill out a form to request an appointment or quote. If you're organizing an event, you could create a survey form to ask participants afterwards what they liked and what could be improved if the event is held again in the future. The example in this lesson is a survey form to ask participants for their opinions about an activity group, but your example can be about anything that matters to you. As you complete this project, you will create a new form in Google Forms and title it, add at least 3 questions to your form, embed the form into your website, format it, and add a section background, and preview and republish your website. To begin, create a new Google form and title it. In the description, tell people what the purpose of your form is about. Now, add a question to your form. For example, if you're organizing an activity group, you might want to find out the types of activities participants would like to do. You can choose different types of responses for your questions. For example, you can select multiple choice to provide limited, pre-written responses, short answer to allow people to write their own responses, or checkboxes to select multiple responses. Select a response type for your question. If you've chosen multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down, add different responses to your options. Now add to your form so that it contains at least 3 questions. Open-ended questions can be the most helpful way to receive feedback, since people can answer your questions in their own words and even give you specific examples. After you have added at least 3 questions to your form, preview them to check for errors. When you are satisfied with your form, open your one-page website in editing mode. Embed the form into your website. And format it. You can preview your website to see how your form will look when it's live. After you republish your website, anyone with access to your site will then be able to see and fill out the form. You can view your responses by going back into your form. You can also enable the form to notify you by email when you've received a response. Now it's your turn. Create a new form in Google Forms and title it. Add at least 3 questions, embed the form into your website and format it, and preview and republish your website.